Over the last few weeks, we have witnessed the insurmountable grief and the rage of people from all walks of life. There are repeated incidents of sexual violence against women and girls in the country, even after the horrific rape and murder of the 31-year-old trainee medic in Kolkata has happened. People across the country have taken it to the streets to demand the accountability and justice for the victim of the spine-chilling Kolkata rape and murder horror that happened on August 9. Amid this furore, several other cases have also made headlines, whether it's the sexual assault of 2 nursery students in Badlapur or the gang rape of a 14-year-old girl in Nagaon, and the rape and the murder of a nurse in Uttarakhand. These are all the cases which have happened in the view of what has happened in August 9 in Kolkata. Amid this outrage, we take a moment to examine how to make sure that such dastardly crimes can even be prevented. NewsX has proposed a plan to launch India's largest study into the sexual predation. Our proposal has been endorsed and lauded by several eminent people, including the Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Pratap Rao Jadhav, West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, IMA President R.V.S. Sokan, and former Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, Kiran Bedi, along with Advocate Seema Kushawa, who is the Nirbhaya's lawyer. Now, viewers, joining me on the broadcast to voice the opinion and share their perspective on the NewsX campaign is senior psychologist Sarbani Chaudhary, who is also a military counsel. I appreciate you joining me on the broadcast. While as we understand what has been happening in the view of the days of how Kolkata's rape has happened, NewsX is proposing a campaign for the benefit to conduct a study specifically in profiling of these sexual predators. As a senior psychologist with a varied years of experience, do you support this campaign that can again help to initiate the measures to be put in place for preventing such crimes?
Thank you for having me here. And of course, I support it 100%. And may I continue?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm able to hear.
First of all, we will have to redefine how we define masculinity. Because the way the boys are raised, from there only we have to be very, very careful. Because now these incidents are happening because of the feeling of a toxic masculinity, that from the very first abusive word when a boy says, he has to be stopped from there only. Any abusive word which he says against a woman or any classmate, he should be checked there itself. Then gradually these things take the shape of toxic masculinity. Another social construct I would like to bring forth here is we always portray a woman as Devi. And the moment we portray her as Devi in our society, that is very good. But a normal, common girl is also, at least she should be treated as a human first. That is what, the once I put a woman at a very high pedestal, naturally, whatever she does, we will find it not as per the Devi concept, which is there in the mind. So at least keep the existence prior to the essence. At least let her remain a woman, human, treat her as a human first. Then we can put her in a higher pedestal.
All right. Also, there is enough study that has been done in the past as well. The FBI has conducted some studies, but also importantly, there are these techniques, including the brain mapping. When you hear about these situations, and of course when these incidents, which are very unfortunate and yet another disturbing at another level, do you feel that the fact that medical sciences has evolved so much, and you know, the roping in of the techniques like brain mapping is going to help experts study further the behavioral and the psychological side of all these sexual predators and these criminals who in fact are not aware of the extent of these crimes?
Of course, we find the cognitive distortion in their mind due to these tests, and the lack of understanding they have. They just treat they many Tihar jail rapists have been interviewed, and they feel that they don't consider rape as a crime or something. They feel it's just a sex, or they believe that the women have, very sadly, they feel that the women have great appetite and they can't be satisfied. So it is, they are doing some good work. And when these social constructs or films show such things like "Chikhegi, chillayegi, baad mein maan jayegi," so these type of distorted cognition, people think that yes, the woman is shouting for help or for her freedom, and this is just a way of her accepting him. These are all cognitive distortions which the criminal has.
That is one thing. But apart from that, when we talk about implementing the measures at a larger scale, because at this view, at this level, Newsex is proposing the campaign at a larger level, and we are consulting all the experts in the fraternity and all the seasoned people who are in the position to enforce these policies and bring out a change, so that there has to be no repetition of what we keep on debating over the safety and security of the women of this country. What I want to ask you also in this regard is that how do you feel additionally there are measures which can be put in place at the policy level, or with you have the experience for over many years of counseling the people and understanding the behavioral sciences behind it. How do you see we can implement their counseling in a way that they can be trained or counseled, or the identification of the abnormal behavior can be done at the formative years?
Yeah, everything has to start from the formative years, and those people, another set of people who are having very harsh childhood, they also turn out to be people like this. So they have a tendency to feel that, okay, दुनिया ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, now I am giving it back. So though we have to go to the grassroots level and make the thought processes of, we have to take care of the thought process of every single boy, whether he's from a better society or from a very lower society. Then only it is possible to bring a paradigm shift in the society. Because everything has to be done from a very formative year, from the very first steps which the boy is taking.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsex YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.